An iOS update may freeze during installation, leaving your iPhone stuck and unable to continue. This video shows 12 quick fixes to get your update working again. Part 1. Why is iPhone stuck on install now? Weak Wi-Fi, low storage, or low battery, corrupted update or iOS bugs, server, VPN, or network issues, wrong date or time or settings, outdated iTunes or Finder or beta conflicts, restrictions, jailbreak, or hardware issues. Part 2. How to fix iPhone stuck on install now in 11 quick ways. Fix 1. Check internet connectivity. Check Wi-Fi and internet. Toggle Wi-Fi or restart router. Try another network. Disable VPN or proxy or reset network settings. Fix 2. Reset network settings. To do this, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings, then confirm. Fix 3. Reset all settings. To do this, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset all settings, then enter your passcode and confirm. Fix 4. Charge your iPhone. Fix 5. Free up space. Fix 6. Delete and re-download the update. Go to Settings General iPhone Storage, find the iOS update file in the list, tap it, and choose Delete Update. Then return to Settings General Software Update and download the update again before trying to install it. Fix 7. Set up iPhone manually. Restart your iPhone and go through the initial setup screens again, making sure to connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Then choose to update the device when prompted or complete setup first, and install the update later via Settings General Software Update. Fix 8. Force restart iPhone. To force restart, quickly press and release volume up, then quickly press and release volume down, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once the iPhone restarts, try the update again or let it resume automatically. Fix 9. Disable VPN or proxy settings. Fix 10. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Fix 11. Wait out server overload. Part 3. An ultimate way to fix iPhone stuck on install now. No data loss. A reliable repair utility known as iOS System Recovery is built to address stubborn iOS issues, such as iPhone stuck on install now, with a notably high success rate. How to fix iPhone stuck on install now with iOS System Recovery. Download and install the iOS System Recovery software on your computer. Launch the application and select More Tools iOS System Recovery. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable and click on Start to initiate the iPhone repair process. The software will identify the information related to your iPhone. You can review the device details and press Repair. If the detected information is incorrect, simply choose the appropriate option and click Repair once more. Please wait for the repair process to finish.